So good people, dear family, friends, welcome to this channel, Joel Ngovi Solaro. You are new, just subscribe and then like this video and comment. You know, when you like the video, YouTube will recommend it to many people. So I need to show you this symbol rhythm. This one is very simple. I know when you are seeing me playing it, you can say, oh, it's very difficult. But when I will show you, once I show you, I'm sure you will even say, how is it easy? But when when I hear it the first time, it was difficult. So I need to share with you this rhythm, this 7 rhythm. Please do not forget to like the video and then comment. If you have learned something from us, support us by comment. You tell us how you are seeing the video, what you should need us to teach next time, so that we can build that. We can build that relationship. You know, I should know, okay, next time I will teach this, they need this. That is it. Thank you. And attention, before we start, I have this information. Please, I beg you. I and my team had this idea. I think this is 1 year or 10 months, like that. So we needed to have the second channel. So this first one, this Joel Ngovi Solaro, this is the channel. Here we only put things for guitars. We only upload videos for guitars, tutorials, you know, me playing, performing, lessons, things about production, music. Maybe sometime I'm making beats. And that second channel will be for only songs. You know, I think I have this calling of singing, ministering for God's glory. So that second channel will be inviting people so that they can bless also your lives. Music ministers and myself will be putting our songs there. That channel is called Joel Ngovi Songs. Kindly, I beg you, go there, search on YouTube in capital letters, Joel Ngovi Songs, and then I will come. We are on the beginning, so you will know that's our second channel. Kindly support it as you do for this. Thank you. So let us learn this symbol 7. Yes. I'm telling you, very easy. So let us go. I'm in C. Sorry. So it's 1, 4, 5, 4, right? 1, 4, 5, 4. So 1, 4, 5, because this is 5 and this is 5. So I can go 1, 4, 5, 4, or 1, 4, 5, 4, or 1, 4, 5, because this 5 is this. So with this and then 4. So I'm going like this. You start. Play this one on the 6th strings, and then this one. This is 2, right? So 1, 1. Sorry. and then 4. But this 4, I will choose this 4th string, this 5th strings, and let us start. And then 5, this 5. This is like your here will go. It's this 5, but I'm choosing the 4th strings, 3rd and 2nd only. After 5, we need to return now on 4. So so the progression is 1 4 1 4 5 4 and then you return here. Very simple, very easy. You return the same thing. That's how it's finishing. After and then no, same process. 1. Very easy. So you'll start with the lowest metronome, that BPM, very low. And then after there you start to add the speed. I'm telling you, very good rhythm and very simple. Hope you have seen, and may God bless you. Thank you very much for subscribing, for liking this video, and then for commenting. Kindly do not forget to search for that our second channel, Joel Ngovi Songs. Go there and then support us by subscribing. Thank you very much. You need to talk to me, my number is on my profile. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a blessed day. Thanks.